In this video, I'm diving into the fascinating world of deepfake technology, but with a creative twist. Ever wondered what you'd look like as a cartoon character? Well, wonder no more because I'm about to show you how to turn yourself into a living, breathing cartoon using deepfake wizardry. Alright, let's get down to business. The tool that we're going to be using today is called FaceSwap. It's an incredible tool that you can use to face swap your photos or videos with a different face, to swap an image of yourself with a cartoon image. Click on upload a file. You can select an image of yourself like this AI image. With our first image uploaded, now we can upload the image of a cartoon. Click on add face to upload an image of our cartoon image. Then click on open. To swap our cartoon image with our AI influencer image, click on create. Now here you can see that DeepSwap just swapped our AI influencer image with our cartoon image. To save the image, click on save. And the image will be downloaded and saved in our computer. You can also choose to recreate if you're not so pleased with this image right here, but instead I'll choose to create a new file. Let me upload a different image. For now, let me choose this image and click on open. Click on upload next file. Here you can add another face of a cartoon character. Now that we have uploaded our cartoon image, let us try and swipe it with our AI influencer. To do that, click on create. And DeepSwap.ai will begin creating a swapped image of our AI influencer. DeepSwap just created a swap of our cartoon image with our AI influencer. If you're pleased with this video, you can save it and the image will be saved in your computer. Or you can choose to recreate it and regenerate a new image of a swapped image of your AI influencer and your cartoon image. Let us try and upload a new image and create a deepfake image of our AI influencer and our cartoon image. To do that, click on upload next file, and here we can upload the file. Let us upload this image. With our image uploaded, let us try and add a cartoon image. Choose this image. Wow, this is amazing. DeepSwap.ai just swiped our AI influencer with our cartoon image. It looks perfect. To download it, click on save. It will be downloaded and saved in our computer. That's a wrap for today's deepfake adventure, folks. I hope you enjoyed learning how to turn yourself into a cartoon character using deepfake technology. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to unleashing your creativity in the AI digital realm. Before I go, don't forget to smash the like button if you had fun and share this video with your fellow cartoon enthusiasts. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more exciting content like this one. Until next time, keep experimenting, creating, and spreading those cartoon vibes. Goodbye.